In today's video, I will walk you through how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, head into Salesforce and move to the Contacts section inside the platform. This is where your available contact records are stored and managed. Once you open the Contacts area, give the page a moment to fully load, so all of the contact records appear correctly on the screen. After the Contacts page finishes loading, continue by reviewing the list of contacts available in your account. From here, locate the contacts that you want to add to a campaign. As you go through the list, select the contact records that you want included in the campaign process. Once the contacts have been selected, move to the options displayed near the selected records. You should see an option labeled Add to Campaigns. Continue by selecting Add to Campaigns to move into the campaign selection area inside Salesforce. After selecting that option, Salesforce will display the campaigns connected to your account. Take a moment to review the campaign list shown on the screen. Continue by locating the campaign you want to use for these selected contacts. When you find the correct campaign, select it from the available options. After choosing the campaign, continue reviewing the information displayed on the page to make sure the correct contacts and the correct campaign are both selected before continuing. Next, move to the Submit option shown on the screen and select Submit. Salesforce will then begin processing the request and start adding the selected contacts to the chosen campaign. At this stage, wait a few moments while Salesforce updates the campaign information. Depending on the number of contacts being added, the page may refresh or reload during the process. Allow Salesforce enough time to complete the update before moving away from the page. Once the update finishes, review the page again to confirm that the contacts were added successfully to the campaign. The selected campaign information will now remain connected to those contact records inside Salesforce. The process includes opening the Contacts section, selecting the contacts you want to use, choosing Add to Campaigns, selecting the campaign, reviewing the information, and submitting the request inside Salesforce. If any section takes a little longer to load, wait for Salesforce to finish processing before continuing. Once the selected contacts appear successfully connected to the campaign, the process for adding contacts to a campaign in Salesforce is complete. Thank you for watching.